Hello, welcome back. I'm just going to do a follow-up video to the bearings from last week. I've since been in contact with the suppliers and they've sent me out two brand new bearings. They look slightly upgraded actually, I'll show you in a bit. So yeah, can't fault them. I will put their link to their website in the description. So if you do need bits from them, and also I'm going to open up the original bearings. They didn't want them back, so I'm going to open them up myself and see if I can see inside what's happened. So yeah, let's get into it. And I'll just give you a look at the bearings. If you look closely on this one, it's rusty around there. This is the second one I took out. This one is the original one, which doesn't look as bad. I actually can't turn that. That's seized solid. So the one that looks the worst, still turn that one. And that one can't even move that one. So yeah, they look slightly different as well. Yeah, so we'll open them up and have a look. So these are the new ones they sent me. I don't know if these are some sort of upgrade, maybe. These do have a brand on them, Euro Axle, if you can see that. These ones, I couldn't find any anything on these ones. So yeah, they might be an upgrade. I'll have to have a good look at their website. But yeah, in fairness, they sent me two of them, so I'm going to keep them as a spare. So we'll let's open these other ones up. Right, I've not done these before, so I'm going to try and get that seal out of there if we can. I don't know how easy or hard it's going to be. Oh, yeah, it is. It's quite easy actually. Okay, well there's definitely grease in there. I was wondering if it was low on grease. Okay, let's pull the other side out. Yeah, there's definitely plenty of grease in there, isn't it? Yeah. Not really much to see in there, is there? There's okay, let's pull the other one open. Right, this is the one I can't turn. This one is. Have a look. Okay. Right, I'm just going to get some brake cleaner. No, that's just grease there or something. Yeah, there seems to be like a rubber, another rubber in there holding the bearings in place, maybe. Yeah, I can't seem to dig that out. It's a shame, I was hoping they would come apart. Can't turn that at all though. That's solid. Don't know if you can see that, but the bearings do look rusty to me. This, yeah. It's turning that much. Oh, there is a brand name on this, Trailer Tech. Well, that's interesting. 'Cause I didn't buy them from Trailer Tech. I bought them from eTrailers. Well, Trailer Tech is a company as well. Oh. Okay, well I found something out at least. I don't know if you can see that. Because I do know, I do buy stuff from Trailer Tech actually. I just wish I could get them apart. Could do with Dave's press now, can I? Press the middle out. Oh, here we go. Right. That's probably good. We can have a look now, can we? Right, just clean this race up. Oh wow, look at the state on this. Oh, look at that. Well, 100% there's water. Water has gone in there, isn't it? Crikey. Oh, the bearings are all rusty. So that's been in the sea twice, that have. You know, and the slipway is like a mixture of fresh water and salt water. It's brackish in the river. So it's not full on seawater. Yeah, there's a mess on them guys. Full of rust. Yeah, so that's definitely what's happened to this, isn't it? Water's gone in there, rusted, and rumbling away. Okay, well that's that one. Just see if we can open this one up, is it? No, oh, there we go. Expecting to see much of the same, really. Yep, exactly the same. Look at the wear on that. So I'm glad I didn't go any further actually, because that's worn quite a lip in there. So I think anything more than the 50 miles I did would have been having major problems. And these aren't quite as rusty as the other ones. If we can pull that out of there, yeah. Yeah, they're not as bad as the other one. Still absolutely knackered, isn't it? Because you can see the wear on that. Ah, so there's your answer. Yeah, that was interesting. So yeah, seal bearings, they're not very sealed. So I'm hoping these are of much better quality. I've actually got a set in there now. The ones we done on the last video, had them from a local bearing supplying company. So I don't know what the quality of them is going to be like. But yeah, I'll have to I'll look into these Euro axle bearings. And the other ones were Trailer Tech, which surprised me a bit, because it's you would have thought they were a rival company. Oh well, that's a bit of a conclusion to the mystery. Just thought I'd share the outcome of what I found, and it may be of some help. So yeah, that's very disappointing. Seal bearings. I've had seal bearings in trailers before, and I've had no problem at all. Yeah, so big lesson learned, I suppose. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you do like the videos, give us a like, that would be awesome. And even subscribe, that'd be even better. We'll catch you soon.